What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enhance, how to improve your shopping experience with slide cart feature and how to add this on your WordPress website for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on the browser address bar, your domain plus WP admin, enter your login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin. Before I can continue, I'm gonna start this tutorial assuming that you already have WooCommerce installed, you already have the products created on your shop. If not, go to YouTube and search for Visualmodo WooCommerce. You're gonna learn how to do this. Once into this add plugins option, review the upper right corner of your screen. You're gonna be able to see an option called search plugins. Click on it and type add slide cart feature. You must type fast cart for WooCommerce. My mistake, sorry. So type fast cart for WooCommerce. Scroll it down, find this plugin right here, okay? Fast cart for WooCommerce. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. Now if you go to your shop, you're gonna be able to see a new option into the bottom left corner of your screen. This is a slide cart. If you try to add some product to your cart, just like this, or maybe like this, you're gonna be able to see this slide cart feature. Looks fantastic, right? But you can customize it. Review the WordPress left sidebar of menus. Right after activating the plugin, you're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the plugins of your site. Review the left sidebar of menus. Next to comments, you're gonna be able to see a new menu. Hover a mouse over it and click on fast cart. Right here, you're gonna be able to play with a couple of options: Ajax add to cart, normal non-Ajax add to cart, hide overlay layer, floating closer, up to you, floating position, bottom, top, center, bottom, up to you, right, refresh cart download, place cart icon on some menu. You can place the cart icon into the menu. You can apply this on the main menu. Save change. Let's review the result we got. There is a new cart icon. Looks fantastic, right? And you have a couple of extra options right here. For example, empty cart, confirm emptying, disable remove button, display total, empty cart message. You can type your message on your own language. You can change the icon of the cart in the case that you wish. You can enable the floating cart icon. I like this floating cart icon, okay? It's the icon right here that you can see that you can click on it, and you can change the position of this icon in the case that you want. And there is a couple of extra options, and you can hide it if empty. This is a good option in the case that you have nothing on your cart, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can see the styling options as well in the case that you wish. You can have the light or dark mode. Dark is my favorite. We have the bottom style, some colors, and that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!